The Scrum team consists of: choose all valid options. Option 1, the product owner. Option 2, development team. Option 3, Scrum Master. Option 4, the key stakeholders. The correct answer is option 1, option 2, and option 3. The Scrum team is a core unit within the Scrum framework and consists of 3 essential roles: the product owner, who champions the product vision and manages the product backlog; the development team, a cross-functional group of developers responsible for delivering potentially shippable product increments; and the Scrum Master, who facilitates the Scrum process, ensures smooth workflow, and empowers the team to be self-organizing and accountable. Key stakeholders are important for the project but are not considered part of the core Scrum team itself.